Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to use snap layouts in Windows 11. So, in order to do that, you have firstly to open some application, and here you will have different ways to use snap layout. Firstly, you can click here on the maximize icon, and you can drag this window to the different corners of display or to the different sides. For example, it will be on the left half of display. By the way, you can see space that window will take if you left them. And here you can choose some different applications that are proposed by the Snap Assist. For example, it will be Notepad, and you can work in this both two applications simultaneously. And even if you minimize these applications, you can put the cursor on Notepad or on the Mozilla Firefox, and you will see preview of this application and preview of the layout group. These applications will be saved in the layout group, and you can open them whenever you want. And even if you will be bothered by some other applications that will be opened in the full screen, you can click here on the layout group and you will see these applications. To get rid of this layout group, to not see preview of this group, you can just maximize some of applications that were in the group, and now you got rid of the group. Second way to use snap layouts in Windows 11 is to press Windows and Z simultaneously, and you will see here, or you can just put the cursor on the maximize button and you will see these templates for our Windows placement. And for example, I will choose in which side of screen will be Mozilla Firefox, and Notepad will be here, and once again these windows will be saved to the snap group. So that's all. You can also maximize window by putting in on the middle top of the screen. So, and that's finally all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and the most important thing, have a great day.